So you want to learn how to get into the specialized rewards program on TikTok? Well, right here, I have my TikTok account pulled up and I'm going to show you guys how you can join. And it's really simple. So the first thing you want to do is obviously you want to have your TikTok account pulled up on your phone. You want to click the three lines on the top right, then hit TikTok Studio. And then as you can see down here on the bottom right, you want to click Creator Rewards Program. And right here, it says up to $7,500 for high quality content. You want to click Learn More. And this is the exact page you are at where it says Specialized Rewards Showcase. And essentially you can earn up to 3 times creator rewards on your content if you get accepted. And I do see right here, it says buy invite only. So if you do not see the up to $7,500 for high quality content, then most likely you have not been invited. So after you're on this page, you want to click I'm interested, and then you're going to fill out your area of expertise. This is a finance page, so I'm going to put learning. I'm going to check this box and then click register. And now I'm registered, and then you will wait to get accepted into it. I've done this a couple times. I've not had the luck to get accepted into this because this is for a clipping page. But if you post your own organic content on your own personal page of yourself, you're 100% going to get accepted into this. It's only because this is a clipping page for myself. And just a sneak peek, so far for the month of April, I'm at over $700 on this clipping page, which is insane. And this is literally just from clipping Caleb Hammer's podcast. And as you can see right here, there's a video that is at 133,000 views, so I expect a good payday from that. I did have some videos that popped off down here, like this one is at 870,000 views. So if any of you that are watching this video, you want to learn more about clipping, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel because I have a ton of videos to show you guys how you can do this as well. And I also have a free Discord community in the description down below, so if you have any questions regarding to joining their specialized rewards program, or if you want to learn more about clipping, please let me know and I would love to help out in any way I can. Anyways, I hope you guys get accepted into this program on TikTok to make some additional money. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video.